This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, we got a little bit of a new setup today. Hold on, let me open up my camera. Camera's on. Let's slow down the this guy here. That's perfect. What did we call it? We called it 6, right? Project X. We got Project X up on my screen. That is the trading view, the Top Step X. Same thing. It's the Renkos that I rely on a day-to-day basis that I unfortunately never had up for you guys because, wow, look at that little dump there, eh? 23,480, 23,1, wow. What was I saying? Yeah, never had up because I had them on my laptop and I didn't want to open up Top Step also, but lo and behold, I'm able to put it up now. So good. We finally get to reference it. Now you guys get to see exactly what I'm looking for. So that's perfect. Let me just do a sound check. I got to figure out where. What am I doing? Oh yeah, sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Ooh, sounds good. What the hell? Oh, Mike Stunts did deal me in. Hey, Mike. I just saw my chat on the sound check screen flying by. Good morning, Omnius. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mike. Deal me in. Yeah, we'll do a deal me in. I didn't even know deal me in was working yet. So, yeah, I don't think that's really optimized. So, I mean, yeah, I got the, what do you call it again? The Project X rank goes up, but maybe I should fix it a little better. What's all that gray screen around the borders there? That's kind of uncool. We don't need all that. Yesterday I streamed. Everybody was streaming. I came on, I streamed. And what did I see? I had to redo my settings again for almost everything. You know what? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me make it on projector. Sorry, this kind of work should always be done. Should always be done beforehand, but you know what the sick thing is? It has to be done almost every day. And it's kind of annoying. Edit. Undo. Yeah, you know what? I kind of like it having the edge there a little bit. I think we're going to have to do some stretching. Okay, another few seconds. But it's worth the wait because, like I said, finally I get to have this up. Never had it up, never was accessing it live on stream. And the reason being is because I wanted other charts up. And I wanted my top step charts in front of me to be able to trade all the time. I didn't want to have to switch back and forth. But now I have an account from daytraders.com and it's Project X, so I'm able to do it. Don't snap. Don't be a bugger. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, good enough, Lockett. We're good to go. Escape. So let's take a quick look at my strategies, make sure they're all enabled. Oh, I didn't even connect yet. Shit, and I didn't pay for my my 3 new PAs. Okay, well, they'll be there later. I'll do them later in the day. Then I got to get Bulenox opened. Okay, why is my thing not working? No. Having a problem with NinjaTrader, guys, so I'm having a problem with NinjaTrader. I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to clear the cache. Give me a second. Where is it? Okay, doing a reboot. I mean, not a reboot, a restart of NinjaTrader. Good morning, Skeletor. I I trouble today getting a spanking from YouTube. What happened? It's not funny. Yeah. Rules, and they don't even make them clear or easy to know what they are. Connections. Let's connect a little slower this time. Oh, I don't need to be on this screen anymore. I did notice that you don't have an upcoming on your live. I don't know if that's an issue. Did you get certain features taken away? What was the spanking? Okay, so where are we? We're set up. I'd love, does anybody know how to get this to the edge? There's two things I don't know how to do. First off, why is this in the way? Who said I want that on my screen? I'd love to know how to get rid of that. If anybody knows how to help me with these charts and how to move this over closer to the edge. Look at all this space I'm using. There's got to be some kind of border or something. I don't see it though in the properties telling me top, bottom, right. Is that it? Margins? Oh, bars, 10 bars. Okay, there it is. Let's make it 3. There we go. That's much better. Okay, we solved one of the problems. Now, if anybody knows how to get rid of this, no matter where I put it, maybe I need to do a line. No, I was hoping that maybe I needed to do a line and it would go away, but it's not going away. Anyways, put it here in the bottom corner. It happens again, my channel will be removed. If it happens again, my channel will be removed. Okay, you'll tell me about it later. Don't do it again. Can't imagine what you did, though. Let's get up the daily change. While we're waiting for Omnius. And the really good news is I'm looking at the top step chart and I'm looking at the day traders Project X chart, and they're identical. That's fantastic. I was kind of worried a little bit that they wouldn't be identical. Let's take a quick look at the volume. 400,000 pre-market. That's good. So today could be a good day. 917. Let's get MFFU up. Now you can see, guys, what I'm talking about already. Already a good day. Yeah. No, well, I didn't start yet. Oh, he's going again. Yeah, I didn't start, but you know what? Let me take a look at the volatility. I bet it's good. 11 points pre-market, average range on the 1 minute candles. We went up to at 855. Wow, we went up to 27 points. That was a nice little dump. 23,140, almost 80 points. Okay. Yeah, so now at least you guys will understand when I'm saying that I'm kind of bearish, let's say. And you look on my Renko charts and you see, wait a minute. Let me show you. Let me remove, I should keep it here. So there, if you look at my, oh yeah, it's going to cover the 4 hour. I got to minimize this. There we go. Well, look at the dump on the 4 hour, eh? Yeah, you look at this chart over here and you say, well, we're above the bands, and I was always following the top step charts. So now you guys have the top step charts up, and I'm happy to be able to put that. I just got to remember when I click him, it's a double click. Why I use them, I'll remind you again, is just to keep things simple. You guys can get Renko on Ninja. You can get it on TradingView. You can get him with Top Step. You can get him with any firm that has Project X, Top Step X. I think all platforms have them. And it's a charting system that takes time out of the equation. So it's basically purely price action. Every bar is the same size. Keeps things simple. You get to know your exact stop on every trade, assuming you're using one bar in the opposite direction to get out. I choose my bar size based on the range. Right here in the top chart, let me change the cursor here. Top chart, right side. The blue line is the range of the 1 minute candle, so we have 10 points. So I'm trying to get my bars somewhere in line with that kind of range to make sense with that kind of range. So you don't want a bar size that's, you know, 2 points or 3 points or 4 points, but you don't want a bar size that's 40 points either. You want somewhere, you know, somewhere in between. There's no magic bullet. I did say for a long time I was going to add one chart, and it was the 80-40. I want to see the 80-40. I think the 80-40 would be really good for scalping. Maybe the 60-30. I'm trying to find something that's going to give me about a 10-point stop loss and allow me to scalp inside the bars. So I'm thinking 80-40, and I'll tell you why as soon as I get it up. Gonna have to change the color of it. Loading. You see now, in order for this bar to go down, wait a minute, it's 40 from there. Yeah, that's an 80. Okay, so that's 20 points. Hold on, I'm just trying to calculate a 10-point stop loss. 10-point stop loss would be there. That's quite far down. I don't want that. So you know what it is? It's 40-20. Now it's a 10-point stop loss. When this bar turns black, it's a 10-point stop loss. Let me put up wrinkle levels. We get to see the lines. The lines will get automatically drawn. A new bear bar. 20. 20. 60. 60. That should be right. We'll see when it draws in the lines, but what I'm doing is I'm having these lines put in over here. It's just something that I coded. The top line is going to show me where the next bullish candle is going to form. The bottom line shows me where the next bearish candle is going to form. So if I'm getting in around here, I'm basically getting in very close to the stop loss. with a 2R, 3R, 4R trade. So oh. All right, all right. Oh shit, it's Tuesday. Okay, did it all. Lower the volume. Okay. Hello. Good morning. I forgot about you. Ah, listen to you. You have, I hear you're cold. Your voice is a little different. We're both Anybody else in the home sick? Oh, yeah. What's behind you? I don't mean behind you on my screen. What's behind you? I got to see. Let me move you. Oh, nothing. It's just improper cropping. Yeah. Yeah, me too. How much time do we have? Let me just lock you in here. What time is it? 9:26. Oh, we got 4 minutes. I think we can squeeze it in. Quick. I don't have to say much. I mean, just look at the charts. We're bearish. Are we going to bounce? I don't know. I'm not a predictor. In my opinion, right here, the better trades are going to be to the downside, even though we've moved quite a bit lower. Shorts from overnight. Are they going to want to get paid? Are they going to want to see and take profits? Are they going to want to see if they can get paid more? Again, I'm not a predictor, but I'd much rather take short trades, but you do get to see my Top Step setup, which isn't Top Step, it's daytraders.com, but it's identical. If we get above the blue bands on the left chart, I'll switch to bullish. I'll start taking bullish trades. Quick, just looking on the daily. Down 375 points, gold. I just closed the gold trade, Bitcoin up 755. Sorry, not close the gold trade, close the gold chart. Wonderful. That's it for me. I'll let you take over. Hey, Ruan. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. You guys. Yeah, overnight. Yeah, well, look, it's a strong down day. There was a strong push down. What are you going to do? I mean, can't hear Omnius. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. Omnius, speak.
Yeah. Can you hear me now? Sound like crap.
Yeah. That's why I had him off, because he really sounds bad, and I didn't want to I didn't want to put it up. Okay, let's take our time. Let's not jump into the first trade so quickly. I have a hard time doing that. So where's my clicker?
Looks like we're getting a short trade. Not really interested in a trade right now.
Used to
I'm
have
sick today, so if you hear me coughing and sneezing and all that good stuff, not much I can do about it.
Hello, hello.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's checking on your stream. Okay, we're all good.
I'm good. I ain't even checked.
All good. Okay, sound check is done. Let's put up Omnius on the big screen. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you were going to stream today. I checked on your page.
I haven't been on the computer.
It didn't have an upcoming.
I don't know how to add the upcoming from the phone. I don't know. Yeah, give me just a second. I'll be right back.
Push lower. Form another bearish candle on the Renko charts. Come on, one more. There we go. That was a nice quick trade. I hope that was 15 seconds. It was on MFFU. I had a little bit of money to make back. That was nice. Again, I'm primarily watching the Renko charts on the left side. Let's lower to a 3 lot. If it turns red, when it's yellow, it's not a trade. Now it's a trade. Oh, but it went so fast. Okay, so I missed it. That's okay. Sellers are still pushing lower.
All right, but
it's too bad I missed that trade. That was a nice move down. Couldn't get in, didn't give me an opportunity. I wanted to try and get in at a little bit of a better price. I kind of already hit a big one, so you know what? Let me try a 3 lot on no, a 2 lot on daytraders.com. I took my first trade on daytraders.com already. It was a small winner. Let it turn red. Let me try and get for a better price. 44. 2-minute ORB. Oh, I'm tempted to get in early. I think we're going to go lower. But I'm not going to get in early. Thank God I didn't, huh? Getting in early's always hurt me. No cameras on your stream. What are you laughing?
Getting in early always hurts you.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, to minimize Discord every time it kills the camera.
Okay, a loser. That was a very quick loser.
I got so many things overlapping each other. It's like, how do I get to it?
Trader Hub. I don't want Trader Hub.
That's not the kind of hub I want.
Order filled.
I don't know how much I lost, but
$1 million.
Don't give me 2 losers in a row, please.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. I don't know. It's not showing my profit and loss anywhere. Maybe there's an account, but 25,012. Okay, I got back exactly what I lost, so that's okay. Maybe I'm going to take a band bounce trade in MFFU for a 2 lot. Let's get up the bands. No, we got above the bands. Watching a couple of things here on the charts. I think you guys lost my Renko charts now from Ninja Trader, where I do my band bounce trade because it's a little quicker.
See the one Renko, was it hourly? No.
The Renko you see now is from
I know. How my day's going? How's your day going?
Now my day's going good. Now my day's going good. Yeah, no, the Renko you see up now is from daytraders.com, which is identical to the Top Step Renkos. So I finally get to show everybody what I was following and using, because the Top Step chart was always on my laptop because I always wanted it full screen. I wanted to be able to access it, see it, trade on it, you know. And I couldn't have it up because I don't have the screen space for the broadcasting, but now I do, so I'm happy. I don't have my chat up though. That's the only thing that I just realized. Sorry guys, my chat is usually right over the screen. You'll see, let it load, and we'll get over here. Happens again. My channel can't hear Omni. Perfect. Okay, nobody said anything. Perfect. Everyone's quiet. That's good. Moving up a little bit. What does that look like on the 1 minute? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. This is going to be the 2 minute opening range trade, and it's going to be to the upside. Go and figure.
You gonna take it?
I don't know. I don't have stats on it yet. I'm kind of nervous. We got to wait till the candle closes anyways. So it's still got 25 seconds. That's a big move. 020, 120, it went up 100 points. I don't think so. I think I'm going to let it go, and I'm just going to try and use the Renkos to get in. 28, if I can get in around 21.
Did you check the volume on my stream?
Yeah, it seemed good. I did a quick check.
Order filled.
I got to avoid
bit behind on everything today.
I got to avoid the temptation to take bigger trades, because my trade on my account on daytraders.com is a 25K account. I have to keep remembering that.
Why did you get a 50? You told me this before. I feel like we talked about this.
Yeah, we did. I figured it would be easier to get the payout. That's all, you know, make $1,500. Make $1,500, and I'm there. So I make $150 a day. That's like in 10 days. I'm done. I don't have $1,500 of drawdown if I'm trading properly. I have 200, 300. I mean, you know, the PDLL is set at, I think I set it high with PDLL over here, 300. So that still gives me 5 PDLLs. I think my record is 2 PDLLs in a row.
But that's trailing drawdown, right?
It's trailing drawdown on daytraders.com, yep.
So sometimes that trailing drawdown is what gets you. You don't even realize it.
Nah, again, I mean, I'm out quickly for low size, so nah, not really. It does if I trade like Joker or Mike Stunts, you know, holding long trades, and it goes, you know,
yeah, I'm
up 1,000 and then it comes down and I take 200. I just lost $800, but
I think those guys would have to have the end of day.
End of day, yeah. I'm scalping for $70. Worst case scenario, it goes almost the target, comes against me. It's, you know, $60. My ear is itchy.
Ruin, Skeletor, Mike Stunts, good morning. Didn't really tell anybody good morning. Bit behind on everything. Trying to get over his sickness. Then I show up this morning, I'm getting a spanking from YouTube.
Perfect. Did it have anything to do with nudity? No kidding. Accidental? You're cheating. You have the inside lane onto what's really happening. No, I just rebooted again because I deleted one of my charts, and I didn't want to forget it, and I didn't want to have to set it up again. So just by rebooting, the chart is there again magically. I didn't save it when I closed down.
The streaming software?
No, I lost one of my charts off Ninja. I accidentally clicked the X button. So I know later on in the day I'm going to forget. When I close down, it's going to say, do you want to save your layout? And I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to be pissed. So now I got to trade Bulenox. That's the problem. Oh, God. I have to make an inventory of... You know what? Bulenox just ruins everything for me. They just rain on my parade with that stupid rule that you can't trade, we can't copy from one firm to the other. If I didn't have to worry about that, I'd have everything linked. But now I have Bulenox on a separate screen, and
that dang Bulenox.
Yeah, it's a stupid rule. Seriously, that's a rule just for making a rule. That's like, we don't have enough rules. Can anybody come up with one? Yeah, I got one, boss.
So I was telling you yesterday that I tried to put 2 videos for the promote, and it wouldn't let me do either one of them.
Oh, yeah?
So I made a new video.
Did you read
which was
why?
actually a video. Huh?
Did you read why? What was the restriction?
They don't tell you. They just say the one was a live stream.
Okay. No, they do tell you.
It violates the policies or whatever. Then the other one was a short video, and it says it's limited. So I'm like, I'm not doing that either. So I was like, look, I'll just redo the video.
Order filled.
And download a song from Suno.
Okay.
So we did the video, downloaded a song from Suno, put it up, and then this morning they tell me I got a strike. I'm like, what? Literally like an 18-second song from an AI software.
That's weird. What?
And I'm like, what even happened to the short policy? Like, we just bypassed the short policy and everything?
Well, how come there's a strike? I don't get it.
Yeah, it's not a warning. It's a strike.
No, it's because you're not a paying member of Suno?
I don't
So
know.
you weren't allowed to use it?
I don't know. They don't tell you.
You know what? I think it's best just to be safe.
All they said was, this is a strike against your channel. If you get one more in 90 days, your channel may be deleted.
In 90 days, yeah. You're right.
But I got music all over my channel. So you're telling me if one of those songs gets flagged, they're going to delete my channel? And then they say not only will they maybe delete the channel, but they might delete any channels associated with it. So they're going to delete all my channels over a freaking 18-second song from an AI software? That's crazy.
Yeah, the AI software with the music now, it's getting a little complicated on whether or not you can use it, who owns the rights, who owns stuff, and you got to be a paying member. You know what? Music doesn't bring that much to my channel.
And then, you know how normally you have the option to dispute it? Like, I didn't even get that option or anything. It's like, it wasn't a limitation. It wasn't a flag or a warning. It was a straight up strike. And I had to watch some video and take something on copyright, and golly. Put me through the ringer over an 18-second video.
Yeah, no, I know you use music heavily, but I think I'm just gonna either stop with the music or just take it from the YouTube channel. I don't even know how it's true, I don't put much music on YouTube, even on my shorts. Really,
Well, the original music I had was from YouTube.
Okay.
So I can't use their music. I can't use music from the AI thing. Like, really? You giving me not only a warning, but a freaking strike and all that over that? And I can't even dispute it? You know what it was is when you put music on YouTube, they add it to the profile of the music.
Okay.
And the original person that did the music or whatever, I guess, or thought that it was similar to their music.
Oh, you did like a remix or something.
I don't know what it was. I was like, okay, I'll just use this. Didn't really think much about it.
Yeah, but how did they even find it?
Well, that's what I'm saying. They if they think it's like a certain song or something, they'll put it in a list for that song. And apparently the original person that thought it sounded like their song contacted YouTube and filed a copyright claim.
Mm. No kidding.
That's freaking crazy right there.
It is.
Ding. What's the news? PMI. Oh, y'all didn't even talk about that? That's a red folder.
Okay, well, I'm lucky to have gotten out of that a little bit alive. I took a little bit of...
we got PMI at 10 o'clock. Can possibly move the market. And we got Trump speaking at 2 o'clock.
Mm. So again, I'll ask you guys out there in trader land, if you can see my Renko charts on the left, I have this box. Let me see here. In trading view, if anybody knows how to get rid of it, there's no right click and remove. Oh, right there, hide. Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry. Sorry. That was easy enough. Let's see if I could ring. There we go. I love it. Ringing the cash register.
Going long?
That's it. I'm out. Yeah, I did go long yet. Took in $50 on that trade.
So if I get deleted, what's the new name of the channel?
Well, I opened that. Did you? I don't remember. I told you I opened up two new channels. So one channel is called Futures Floor Live Replay.
Yeah.
And now all my lives, I'm not saving them. I don't know what to call it. I'll have to show you.
Oh, you're going that route?
It goes to unlisted. No, I'm not going that. And no, that's not a route. You know, I think what you call the YouTube control panel, the live control panel or something, that black screen where you can enable and disable DVR. Once you, right at the bottom of the DVR column, there's another one. Put it in unlisted.
Yeah.
After not publishing or whatever the word is, after processing, put it to unlisted. So I'm putting it to unlisted. And here's why. Because I noticed that my live streams are being served as videos, right? So they're being, that's what's getting offered to people. What does a person do when he clicks on a live stream? He watches it for 2 minutes and he leaves. What percentage of watch time is that? That's bringing my YouTube, one of the metrics YouTube looks at is percentage of watch time. So if I have a 3-hour live stream and someone watches for 5 minutes, that's like 0.0% watch time. So I don't want people doing that. I want them to watch my videos. So it's all going to go to another channel. I'm going to move them over.
I remember Trades by Matt talking about this years ago. That's why he did that.
No, I'm not sure if it's going to help anything, but it can't hurt. And then I have another channel called Twisted Trading, which I'm going to publish short little videos about, lessons about psychology and stuff. And I'm going to funnel traffic over to the Futures Floor Omnius Trades co-stream if Omnius stops playing unpermitted music. You're too much of a rebel. Be careful with the music. It's not worth it.
What sucks is I already got like so much music on there, so if they flag another one, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, even my all those songs. 949, 15-minute ORB retest. If anybody's interested, I don't have the ability to take it yet because we don't have a full candle over the 15-minute opening range high. We did touch it on this candle. I got to wait one more. But yeah, you know, all those songs that I created for my lo-fi, you know, that elevator music that I play, that's all done with Suno. At the time, you were allowed to use it. I was a member of Suno, and you were allowed to use it and everything. Now, I went to Suno. Their rules are pretty restrictive now.
That song that I just got a strike for is from Suno. I got several songs from Suno, so I don't know.
Order filled.
Only thing I can do is just go in and, I don't know, put every video to private. Hell, at that point, I might as well just start a new account anyway.
The market's moving fast.
Order filled.
Hard to get.
Yeah, they make you go through and like read a bunch of stuff, watch a video. They're like, your strike will go away after 90 days if you take a copyright course.
Okay.
Copyright course? What? Like, y'all are crazy.
And the problem is these rules are always changing.
And they don't tell you anything. It's like, just tell me what the problem is. Might not do it again. Could you imagine? Like, I got kids, right? Could you imagine if I just punished them every day and didn't tell them why?
I know it's insane. And the thing is, like I said, Suno changes their rules.
We don't want to be in trouble. Will you please just tell us why we're in trouble? No, you should know.
Yeah, no. What you would tell them is parental violation.
Yeah.
Sparky, you want more cookies? I tell you what, you want to go for a beer later for lunch?
The funny thing is, they even tell you in the short.
If we could do that, if we both live near each other, we can go for a beer.
Yeah. The funny thing is, with the shorts policy, that you can play music as long as it's under a minute. This was like 18 seconds. Correct me if I'm wrong, but 18 seconds is under a minute, right?
Yeah.
So pretty much everything was exactly what they tell you. It still gave me the strike, and I can't even dispute it.
Coming up to VWAP here on the 1 minute chart. I don't use VWAP for trade entry, but I do use it for, how would I phrase it? Give me a reason not to enter a trade. It's like an extra obstacle we have to get through. So if I do get along, you're looking at you guys get to see my Renkos. I'm so happy. So right now we have a red Renko bar. If we get a white Renko bar, that usually would be my signal to enter. Yes, it's that simple. But we're too close to VWAP now, so I don't need that extra obstacle. I'm going to let that trade go by. We can get over the VWAP, and then I can get a retrace and a continuation on the Renko chart. Then I would be very happy to take it.
I was going to tell you, you know that if you make the videos unlisted, they can still be seen on your site, right?
Yeah, that was the thing that they said. What's good about it is that the people who, I don't know, they explained, have a link to it or something, can see it. I didn't quite understand it. I don't know really what that means, but
if they go to your channel and click on playlist or something, you can still have a playlist there.
Yeah. But
and
then
if
it's listed.
Set the unlisted, then people can still watch it from the playlist.
Yeah, but I'm going to remove them. I'm moving them over. They're all going to go over to the other channel.
To not have it on your channel, you'd have to set it to private. then you're losing all the watch hours.
Yes, thank you for reminding me. I am not removing them from my channel. That's it. That's exactly what GPT said. Do not remove them. You lose your watch hours, your subscribers, your likes, you lose everything.
And apparently if you set it to private, you still lose everything.
Yeah.
As long as it's in private.
There is a reason why I'm doing unlisted. I'll leave it as unlisted.
I don't know. I see some people take it off their channel. I see some people leave it on. I don't really see that it makes much of a difference.
Mm.
And I don't know why you're saying that yours are videos, because mine are set for lives.
No, they go in the live tab or whatever. But once they get published, remember you were saying, hey, how come I have no view hours and all that? Once they get published, they start to track that as if it's a video. So if someone clicks on it, someone gets served it in, like I check, someone, well, how to explain it? You go on YouTube, you're on the YouTube homepage, and because you view my videos and stuff, you see it, but you're being served a live video. You click it, you leave right away. Watch time, the percentage watch time is horrific. So
you can take it off of your home screen, so if somebody goes to your channel, they're not getting it. Somebody might still be served the video.
You're getting it as your suggested feed. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're suggesting it because I don't have enough, I guess, of an inventory or whatever. I don't know. They're suggesting my live videos. I don't want them suggesting my live videos. So by making them unlisted,
I feel like they know that they're live videos.
Maybe. I'm going to keep a few. I'll keep about 2 weeks. Like the most recent 2 weeks. So like today, this one will get published. I'll go back and I'll remove, let's say, the Monday and the Tuesday from 2 weeks ago. I'll keep her running 2 weeks or running 1 week. That's it.
I go to my dashboard. It's got a thing up at the top of it. Channel violation, active copyright strike. It's like, don't forget.
Okay, what do I got?
YouTube's crazy.
Connection. Well, what I would say is to that, don't walk the fine line, just play it safe. Yesterday, again, I was watching a video. Wow, the word he wouldn't say. I can't even remember. I should have wrote it down. The word he wouldn't say. It was like amazing. You said, really? You're playing it safe with that word?
Well,
I don't remember what word it was, but
I don't think they're that worried about words.
Well, I guess it's everything. Just play it safe. Keep your channel super clean, and have everything on your side. Just, talk about your trading. I don't really think you need music during the stream like a few people told me. I don't remember who it was, but if we want to listen to music, we're going to listen to our music, not what you're playing. And I never really went on a stream ever in my life and said, oof, I'm not sticking around here because he's not playing music. Yeah, it's filler, but you know what? It's mostly filler for people who are stuck alone with nothing to say, kind of,
Nah, I'm just going to keep doing what I've been doing. And
I know you're stubborn.
They delete the channel, start over. Sometimes you got to break a few eggs.
You, my friend, are... How do I say this nicely? I am stubborn. I am hard-headed. But you beat me. You are a man that follows his path. Do not try and bump you off your way. But you are open to suggestions, which is cool. That's good.
What
you do listen.
Just kind of slow down with videos with music in them. I don't know. Obviously, I got music all over my channel, so if they go back and do something,
that's what I'm wondering. Let's say you play a
there's
song.
nothing I can do about
that. You have 100 videos with the same song in it, and you get a copyright. So you get a copyright strike on all those 100 videos. It's like you just get machine gun copyright stricken.
Isn't that crazy?
You're only allowed 2, but you just got 100. 10 o'clock.
I think you're allowed 3, but they say after 2 they could block, limit, or whatever your channel, and then after 3 they could remove your channel along with any channels associated to it.
9:59. There's news at 10 o'clock, guys. So if you want to get out of your trades or take it easy, the spread is going up a little bit. Not crazy, but the spread is going up. It's like 75 3/4 to a point right now.
So basically, if I get 3 strikes, they'll remove every channel under the.
But they should be 3 separate strikes. You know, song A, song B, song C. Not song A in this video, song A in that video, and song A in another video. That's just song A.
Yeah, but I got 100 videos. All they got to do is find 1 or 2 more. That, by the way, all follow their policy.
Yeah.
So none of them are violating their policy.
Hey, you never sent me a link to the white t-shirt or the white undershirt video. I wanted to put it.
There was a bikini video.
I wanted to put it into, now that Grok is being so generous, I wanted to put it through the Grok. I wanted to run it through Grok and see what we get. I think that was an error what Grok did, actually, to be honest with you.
No, I seen that they were coming out with that. And
I don't know, because it's
apparently it's only for like certain regions and
parents are going to go
tiers
ballistic.
Or something. Could you imagine kids taking pictures of their parents?
Yeah, I know. Parents, that's going to be a very unpopular policy.
That's definitely going to be abused. Oh, well, we in the world of AI now. There ain't no going back.
No. Yeah,
it's only going to get more and more.
Yeah, before what people used to do is crop the head, you know? A simple head crop and put it on for a picture, or if you were more sophisticated, you were able to do something with it on a video, but now this is insane.
So I don't know if you noticed, but you can even take like a crappy photo, put it in there, and it'll like enhance it. Yeah.
I'm using Nano Banana now. I don't know if you know about Nano Banana.
Never heard of that one.
It's Gemini image editor 2.5 or something, but it's got a code name Nano Banana. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Very, very quick image generation, so it saves you a lot of time. I mean, I was using GPT for image generation quite a bit. What are we doing? We're flip-flopping. Are we flip-flopping on VWAP? Well, we got 1 close above VWAP. You know me, I like to see 2 closes.
What's it called?
Banana? Nano Banana, but just go to Gemini. That's just the name. Just go to Gemini image. It's their image generator now for Gemini. It's crazy sophisticated. You can do some really cool magic tricks on it now. Let's get my EMAs the same colors. I guess, I don't know, I didn't do the setup properly. Plot. Let's make it, what's a good color to plot the EMAs? What's a good money color? Let's go for
the new image editor. Oh, that's what it says, Nano Banana or whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
Went away.
And let's make it
I haven't used Gemini in a while.
Yeah, but this editor is like next generation crazy.
Don't know. I think I got Gemini on my phone.
Yeah, I put Gemini on my phone because of it. Is there a displacement offset? Yes, there is one. You always want the offset. Why do I put an offset? So that it's underneath the current candle. Oh, that was a nice trade. This is a nice trade. I missed it. See, look at that. I'm playing with my colors of my indicators, and I missed the trade. Shit.
Well, I had some pictures to try out, but I guess I deleted them all.
This is where you guys say, don't worry, there'll be another bus coming into the station. Actually, it didn't even do that well. It only made one bar, so.
So does it make a video?
No, I wish it did. But what you can do is it's really good at copy. Let's say all I got to do is take your face. Now I can get your face a lot better in pictures.
Can you make your hat purple? I don't
anybody's face. I can take your hat that you're wearing right now. You know, take a screenshot of it and say put it on put it on this cat's head or whatever. You can put elements. You can give it 2-3 pictures and tell it, take this from this picture. If you tell it, if you've got 3 people in a picture, you can remove one. Just say remove the girl on the left and, put a palm tree behind her.
Gemini says I can make the hat purple, but I can't do that.
There he goes. There he goes. Getting more strikes.
Well, what good are you then? Get out of here. Come back when you can do what I want.
Order filled.
I have strikes everywhere.
They're soon going to have your photo on the internet. Do not let this man onto your site.
I remember years ago, like on Facebook and stuff, getting strikes for pictures.
Order filled.
Never imagined that one day I'd be getting strikes for a 18-second song.
Hey, did you guys see that trade that I just took on? I think you did. That's so cool. Life is good. And you can see the account balance. There's a thing with the account balance. I'm going to have to figure out. Maybe I can move it over. Can I? My win rate on daytrader.com is 88.89%. Total lots traded 36. Account balance 25,131. I'm trading small.
Got an inverse hammer on the 5-minute. See how that plays out. Looks like we're at point of control for the day.
Okay, so got rejected off VWAP. No surprise there. Doesn't mean we won't go through it again, but on the first tap, see how, I don't know, I would call it nauseating. How you break through it by like 43, 35 points, and then you go right down below it. Talk about get slapped if you use VWAP for a reason to enter.
All right, shall we turn just a moment?
So, what do we got? We got, what's this? I'm calling it the top step chart. We got the Renko's on the left telling me stay short. We got the Ninja Trader Renko's telling me short, and I can get a band bounce trade. So maybe I'll try that. In for 2. I don't know if that's where my stop should be for the band bounce trade, though. I'm going to remove it because you got to wait for it to cross the bands. So it's more like something that needs to be played manually. If I get another entry, I'll take it. Come on, go lower, 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 lower. Didn't I see 80? Something not working right. Okay, let this one run. Let's see if we can get something out of this. It's just a one lot, for goodness sakes. Let's see if we can get back down to 23,000. Oh, that would be cool, no? Oh, it's an Apex account. Then they're going to say, show me how you trade. Show me that that's part of your system. Got to be careful with that. Another stupid rule. If I have to do that eventually, do I need to get more sophisticated names for my trades, or can I still call it band bounce? Buy limit. Let's put in the buy limit over there and see what happens. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Shit. I gotta contact Bulenox. Well, wait, fill me.
Who are you trying to get to fill you?
To fill you, no, fill me. I had a wholesale, renew happen at Bulenox.
Yeah.
On just before the end of the month. I think I had 5 or 6 accounts renew, and I'm looking, and none of them got set to 50.
Really? Mine did.
Yeah, gotta call them. Tabernooch. I told you I sent them an email. I said, is this a new policy? And they said, no, it's just a problem with Rhythmic, so c'est la vie. Live with it.
Mine reset?
Not mine. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that didn't reset. I think they all got rebuilt on the 28th, 29th, and the 30th. Anyways, I'll check it.
I mean, they got to get this figured out. It's been, what, a month now? Imagine how many customers they're losing.
Imagine how much time they're wasting customer support taking care of this problem.
Exactly. Over just an error like that. Imagine how many people don't even catch it or are afraid to even message them.
Yeah.
It's funny, you go all over YouTube, right? And there's nudity, violence, drugs, all these crazy things that they're so strict against. And yet those people don't get strikes. But this guy, he played 18 seconds of a song he got from an AI program.
I still don't see the nudity that everyone's talking about.
I don't know how. I guess you just don't know what to put in.
Really? I did so good on this account. Call Linda Bin.
I don't know if I said it earlier, but it did take the open range trade.
Anybody think we're going to get over VWAP? We didn't get the 15-minute opening range retest. But the 2-minute opening range trade, that's what you were talking about? The 2-minute opening range trade did well?
Yeah, mine did.
Did you take it multiple times?
I only took it once.
Once.
15 points. I told you I got it set for the more conservative settings.
Yeah.
Trying that out.
Okay.
And still, even on the settings it's on now, it brings in between like 100 and 300 a day.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's not bad. You do that through a couple accounts. It's not bad at all.
Mm-hmm. Well, just based on where we're trading right now, right under VWAP, and looking at my charts, oh, maybe I could have a short still. Yes, I can.
In the past 90 days, it's had 2 losses, 97.5% win rate out of 82 trades. We lost a loss. Guess it got lost in the rollover.
Okay. I was incorrect. I was going to say I should go take a break and go get some fresh air because I didn't see a trade setting up for me for quite a while because of where we were around VWAP. But as you can see from the Renkos, we still hung on. We didn't get above the bands with a full bar, so I was able to take that short. Once again, I love being able to show you the charts that I trade with. I hated the fact that I didn't have them up and I was always talking about it.
I thought you had the Renko chart before.
Yeah, but from Ninja Trader, it's not the same thing at all. It's calculated completely differently with TradingView. And Project X and Top Step X get it from TradingView.
Oh, so the Renko you have now on screen, that's from TradingView?
Yep, the one I'm working on with the settings to make it. Yes, it's the TradingView one now. So now everything that I say, you guys can track. Like now, what I'm saying makes sense. Before it didn't make sense. People were looking, saying, "Wait a minute, why are you going long? You're below the bands, or why are you going short? You're above the bands." And it's good.
On the 2 minute and 5 minute, kind of looks like it wants to go long, but on the hourly, looks like it could drop back down.
Yeah, I kind of have that also. I have
and the 4 hour kind of bouncing back and forth between support and resistance.
Long bias on my higher time frame. Short bias on my shorter time frames, just the way I'm looking at it. Let's take a look, see what's happening. 30-minute. If we get above VWAP, maybe we can see higher price action back to the previous day's low, but we're still staying below VWAP. So I would say the trades with better follow through are going to be the trades to the downside. You know, one thing I never track, I don't know if you track it. Separate your trades between longs and shorts and see if you do better with the short trades.
My bot does that.
Yeah, that's excellent. Did you ever notice a difference?
Oh, yeah. Seems like longs are always more profitable.
No kidding. I thought it would be the shorts.
Nope. Not from my experience. There's some people out there, they don't even trade shorts. A lot of people, they only go long.
Sparky, it's your third time with cookies.
Which kind of makes sense, because if you're only looking for one direction, then you're even narrowing it down even further.
Yeah.
Like a lot of times we try not to take counter trend trades because we just want to focus just on the trend. And then if you say, well, you're just focusing on the trend and you're only focusing on longs, kind of narrows it down even more.
Yeah, it would be hard to make an argument that you should only be concentrating on shorts in the market we're in when you're making new all-time highs.
Well, money is always coming into the market, and it's not going short, it's going long.
Yeah.
So You would think naturally that the market would favor the long side. But when it does go short, tends to go violently.
Yeah. Yeah, I love Joker's expression. Oh, is it again? Shorts jump out the window, longs take the stairs. That's so funny. I never thought of it like that, but it is true.
Lambo, good morning.
Okay, got a little bit of a scalp over there.
Lambo might sound a little funny today, bit on the sick side. Lots of coughing and sneezing.
Let's see if I want to take a stand here at 33 or better. Come on, give me 31, 30, 29. Let's see, I'm taking a bigger size trade here. Not crazy, but come on, be nice to me.
Yeah, I think I'm kind of getting over it now. Been
Nice
sick all
to me.
weekend.
Don't always do this to me.
I guess the weekend's a good time to be sick. 3-day weekend. Hang out with the kids, have fun, even though we're all sick.
Come on, buyers.
Mike, I have to convince my kids they're sick.
I have to convince them.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
They're like, can we go run around outside barefoot? I'm like, well, you are sick.
Nice. Can we get away from VWAP?
Yeah, we could if y'all would move the market.
What time is it now? 10:20? I don't know.
Lambo, you
know
trading?
what?
How's the trading going today? I know you said you normally don't trade in the morning.
Let's see if we can get a bit of a bounce here again. I think I'll take it only for a one lot because we do have VWAP right above. I'm not crazy about it. It's kind of a, you know what, I can take 10 out of that. I'll be happy. I'm happy with that. Quick scalp on an Apex account. $10 on a one lot. That is usually what I try for. 5 to 10 points.
It just kind of trade sideways. Got could make the long case, could make the short case.
Yeah, I'm going to make the long case. I think we're going to run. Might even expand the range here before initial balance is formed. But again, it's not a game of being predictive. It's a game of being reactive. So,
getting coffee. Everybody's drinking coffee. They don't give you all the jitters. I drink coffee. I can't stare at the screen.
Oh, it's
all
terrible.
Kinds of jitters.
Yeah, it gives me anxiety. It's like the world is ending.
Yeah. I need like some decaf coffee or something.
Yeah, we're strict decaf here. We're a decaf family, guys.
I used to drink so much coffee, I never noticed that. I guess you get away from it, and then you start drinking it again. You're like, wow.
I won't say it's slow because we got 24 points range on the 1 minute, 24 points range on the 1 minute candles, but I'm in an area where I'm not really eager to take trades. So if anybody's got any questions, feel free to ask. Why are you laughing?
He's like, after a whole pot, yeah.
Oh,
you drank a whole pot of coffee? He's like, I gotta
stop
at about. Like, I gotta stop about half.
You're having another conversation. Me and Omnius are having a conversation like my dad used to have with his sisters. They would be talking about two completely different things. You'd be sitting on the side listening. You go, do they even know they're talking about two different things? You're talking to Lambo. I'm talking to you.
I'm talking to both.
Yeah. No. I'm just saying that, you know.
and sniffling and sneezing at the same time.
It's all good. It's just funny. That's all. Haven't gotten a candle close, over the over VWAP yet. Just once. What's the 4 hour?
Lambo, I got a spanking. I got a spanking from YouTube this morning. Woke up to a copyright strike, and said if I get another one or something, they might delete my channel. All over 18 seconds of music. I had a AI create me a song for a video, a short video, and they're not even supposed to do copyrights on shorts if it's under a minute. So I had the AI make me the song, so I wasn't using anybody else's song. And then they gave me a full copyright strike for it.
Rejection on VWAP again, eh? Not that
it's funny because I can't even dispute the copyright.
Not that VWAP is any magic, but again, it's something that traders follow, so often it's a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Was that bouncing off VWAP?
Yeah, to bounce off VWAP. The rejection.
Yeah, that's what Mike was telling me, not to use music. Futures floor. It's crazy how bad they are about music. Yeah. You put in all the hours and so much work and everything, and they talk about deleting your channel over a few seconds of a song. Which they tell you they don't even do on short videos. Who knows? They do whatever they want. We just try to survive.
Hmm. Okay, I'm sitting here thinking, and I have the solution for you. You got to sing the songs yourself. You got to make them into cover. You got to turn them into covers.
Well, what if I hum a beat and it sounds too much like another beat, and then I'm still getting a copyright strike?
No, I think you're good. I think you're good.
What about all these people doing cover songs and all the little kids like posting videos singing songs?
Yeah, no, I looked into that. You're allowed cover songs. That's the odd thing. What I don't understand is
They are allowed cover songs, but the AI made a beat that sounds too much like your beat. So it's a full-blown copyright strike?
Oh my God, a beat? You can't get a copyright strike over a beat. There's how many different beats can there be?
Well, you go tell YouTube that.
It's got to be a little more than a beat. What was I going to say? Oof.
Order submitted.
I don't know. Just keep doing what I do. If they delete the channel, I'll have to create a new email, make a new channel, start over.
Come on. Took a
Lame,
small
are you talking
short.
about using AI for music or for videos? Because they put out a thing saying they didn't want AI videos no more. And then, like a few weeks later, did like a 360 and reversed that decision.
Took a small short. We're going to see if we can get it to go lower.
I think the people at YouTube are bipolar. Last thing I seen.
Probably shouldn't be in this trade.
New tools and features to help you do the AI.
It's running in the opposite direction. Okay, get out.
Sounds like Apex. Yep. Yeah, YouTube's coming out with new tools to help you do AI. They put out a thing against AI videos, and then
Connection
a month
lost.
later did a 360, and now they want more AI.
Boop, boop, boop. Initial balance alert. It's only an alert that the initial balance is going to form, just so I don't forget about it. Getting over VWAP this time, huh? Is this the push?
What they're supposed to be cracking down on with AI is people making AI videos and then passing them off as real videos. Like if you're making all these videos you see about making people say certain things that they didn't say.
Yeah, that I agree with.
Supposed to be cracking down on that. I agree with that.
I've seen some videos that I was unhappy that I wasted my time on.
I mean, the AI is getting so good nowadays, you know. You can put the whole nation in a panic making the right video.
War of the Worlds.
Yeah.
It already happened. It's crazy. On radio, he was able to convince.
And they passed all those laws back then. Lambo, can't believe it, 907 subs. Dang, Lambo, you killing it with the subs, ain't you? That's great, and I love to see it. You'll have to, one day you'll have to tell us some of your secrets.
I got a band bounce here. Let's see if we can get back over VWAP. Let's get above VWAP again. Come on, push it.
Beginner's luck. Yeah, that's awesome. You get people supporting.
That was a nice trade. A little bit of a long trade.
That's what we need more of in YouTube land, is people supporting each other.
What I am working on actually is, how do I do this? Wasn't it supposed to be? Oh yeah, okay, I got to bring this down. There you go. I'm working off the faster chart here on Ninja Trader. Just trying to take some quick scalps right now. We're off the bands again. We're bouncing, but we are under VWAP, so taking small size.
Yep, still going sideways.
Get out. Took a quick scalp.
Long or short?
Oh, long didn't work out.
Yeah, it'll work next time.
Yeah, which is now.
You already back in?
I'm already back in. It's another band bounce. You can see it. Double. I shouldn't even have gotten out because you need a full candle below the bands. I just don't want to take the risk because we're under VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we're like right under VWAP, so we can get some aggressive selling. I didn't want to take the chance. I didn't want to see a dump 35, 40 points there in 1 second on me. I'm playing it close to the vest.
Could be the push.
I'm only throwing my money into the pot if I have a good hand.
We got buyers trying to step in, but see what they can do.
Yeah, I see that too, actually. What about your cumulative delta there? Does it show a little bullish action there?
Still,
or is it?
Switch over, take a look at it. I got to get you a camera on that one. Yeah, Delta's still negative. It's trying to rise.
I think what, in my
See
opinion,
mine right there. Delta, cumulative delta. Got one on the bottom, and then the footprint chart. 2600 volume.
it's obviously better if it's
go.
positive and rising, but if you have it negative and rising, I think you would focus on the rising more than the negative, no? Especially for you and me, short-term scalpers.
Maybe.
Maybe. Non-committal. Perhaps.
Well, I basically only use the cumulative delta to help with decisions when I'm already in a trade. I'm not looking at it so much as how's it going to get me into a trade. I'm looking at it as more of a, I'm in a trade. Is it rising? Is it falling? If I'm in a long and the delta's going short, then probably shouldn't be in the trade.
Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. So it's the rising or the falling that I think is more.
I don't want to be one direction and all
scalpers.
the buyers are fighting me.
Yeah. Different story if you're holding a trade for like an hour, 2 hours, then you want it to be on positive. But
so now the cumulative delta's pushing up, chart's pushing up.
Yeah.
So if I was in a trade, I'd be looking for this kind of condition, and maybe can it keep this condition, or if delta just spikes down right now, would I want to stay in the trade or would I want to get out?
We are trading in a little bit of a box here, between 260 and 200.
I think a lot of people break out of that. I think a lot of people fight the market. I don't want to fight it. I'm here for the easy trades. Lambo says 3 massive order blocks. Let's go back over to this one. Where is this one? 30-minute chart. Let's check it out. 9:30, 9:45. Come on, this push up here, Lambo.
Come on, shit. Bajanti, where are my positions? Positions are good. I'm flat.
Still looking at, we got support below us down here, resistance up here. Then on the, I think it was the hourly chart, still kind of pushing down. Nice bullish engulfing candle. I think you can make a argument for longs or shorts. Could see shorts coming in around the resistance. 23,300. I like the 2-minute chart myself. Keeps me more focused on the now, but not as all over the place as the 1 minute. Yeah, I normally go for the scalps. Generally try to get about 20 points with about an 18-point stop loss. All I need is a few of those a day. That's a great day. Lambo, I also trade using a bot also. I got a bot set for kind of an open range, but it's kind of a different take on it. Never used a bot. Yeah. Right now I'm working on the same bot, but I'm working on 2 different instances of it. I want one to be really aggressive, and the other one to be more conservative. So I want to try to get it where the one bot can pass the evals quickly, then switch over to the more conservative, maybe the funded accounts. Well, it's like anything else, any other strategy. You got to watch it, back test it, forward test it, get through all the issues that you never think about. Takes a long time to get ironed out. Mike, what you looking at, long, short?
Short. I'm hoping it breaks lower with a little bit of speed.
Lambo says he has never back tested, don't even know how.
Come on, push. Stop with the 1s and the 2s.
I like the back test. I like the forward test. The back testing can kind of throw you off, but like with trading view, they make it easier. Kind of go back to the different days and see how it reacted.
Yeah, it was a waste. Okay, slow it down. Not doing so good in my Bulenox today.
That's because you woke up talking about Bulenox. You was mad at him from the start. Yeah, I do feel like back testing can give you a false hope.
5, 7, 12. Let's
and the market's constantly changing. That's one of the things people run into with bots. You get bots, you set them up, they work great, and then the market just flips on you. We're getting some large orders coming in.
I think bots are good, but you got to run them manually. You got to choose your spots where you want to activate them.
Right. I don't think any bots can just be set and forget. Market changes too much.
Yeah. Oh, it's true. Okay. No, sorry. I thought we forgot about chat's choice.
Coming back down to the open range high.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a lot of selling in that move.
That's the first retest, actually. 15-minute. That's the first retest of the 15-minute opening range. Come on, turn blue. Turn blue. I can add to my position. Let's go. 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 Stop fighting it. Push higher. There we go. Give me another one.
Are you taking long?
Thank you. Took a long bounce off the 15-minute opening range. High. Use the I use the Rankos on Ninja Trader over here to get me in, but it was a quick scalp. I actually got in a little bit early, and I was hoping, that's what I was saying, turn blue, because I was hoping it would turn blue. So I got the whole range there. Worked out good. Cutting down my losses. I almost hit my PDLL, but now I'm down only 66 on one and 33 on another, and one of them's down 180. That's my PDLL for that one, so I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to get more into trouble. Besides, it's at 52,004, and it's a funded, so I don't want to damage it. I think I'm going to go. That's why I was reminded of the chat's choice, because I think it's time to switch to.
Yep, switch to a different account.
Evals. I think I traded enough accounts today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even. Yeah, six different individual accounts. I did good on my daytrader.com account. Happy with that. It's up 131 on the day.
Sweet.
Yeah, I only got to get it to 1,500, so that's pretty much my target.
My throat feels like it's got like a cactus in it or something. Lambo's looking for this to maybe hold. Lambo, what would you look for? What kind of structure would you look for this to hold and go long? Some kind of a like price action pattern or bullish engulfing, hammer candle. Order flow, buying coming in. I added a footprint chart from Quantower, but still getting used to it. I feel like it gets me in trouble sometimes. I feel like I see the buyers come in and then they just fade them. Trying to just look at the large order blocks to go along with my strategy I already got. Yeah, a lot of these sellers right here. See the volume down here? It's just all sellers. Right there, all selling. typing off this morning. Not really sure what that means. Well, this is normally what I look for is price getting below the momentum lines. The EMAs, these up here are EMAs. Momentum lines. Then we see price dropping below that. See right here what pushes up. And also tend to have sometimes I'll color the background to go with it. Go with this one. Kind of gives a fuller picture. But I think sometimes people get confused by the background, so I turn it off sometimes. I know too much to the chart confuses people. But as the price gets up, look for a pullback. Jump in. Pullback momentum lines, jump in. Now here we're looking for shorts. For some kind of a pullback. Yeah, I was looking at the hourly. Still pushing down. Did come up, kind of tested this resistance. Thought it could have went a little bit more, but did good, I guess. Now it's pushing, pulling back down.
I'm back. Let me get my camera on.
Lambo, appreciate you. Appreciate you stopping by, saying hello.
Yeah. We'll see you tonight. Oh, no, I won't be streaming tonight. I got to work again. Oh, shit.
Lambo, you streaming tonight? Sure you are. Seem to be pretty active at the night. I can't even talk. My throat's all messed up. I was debating whether I was even going to be able to speak today. I was like, okay, I'll try. I might just be there for support today.
You know what? You were talking about all those copyright strikes, and now I'm thinking, okay, use a music streaming service that you subscribe to, but once you cancel your subscription, what happens to
exactly
all your videos? So I'm going to check that with GPT now. Curious.
Yeah, I don't know, because like I said, I mean, I've got hundreds of videos on there. I mean, if they're going to start combing through every video for a beat that sounds like a beat, am I going to go through and delete all my videos? How am I supposed to delete the channel and restart it?
Well, you don't need to do a preemptive strike. I mean, wait to see what happens.
Yeah, I'll just let the chips fall however they fall. Whatever may be, may be.
Okay, it says that if you subscribe to a service like Epidemic or Artlist, they allow your past videos created while you had an active subscription to stay covered, but you can't. If you cancel, you won't get a copyright strike on old videos, but you can't use the music in new videos. Okay, that makes sense. Rarely, certain platforms may require an ongoing subscription for continued coverage, meaning if you cancel, your old videos could lose protection. This is uncommon, but worth checking.
I mean, it's all kind of crazy.
You know what? They're not clear. Like, this is an issue. They should be super, super clear on their homepage with that
Yeah,
kind
they're
of
not.
issue, you know?
And I mean, I can see if you're going out there and you're directly trying to steal somebody's song, put it out there, say it's your song or something. But to get a song or a beat or something off of a supposedly free service,
Mm,
and then to take that to a full-blown copyright strike,
yeah.
I mean, to me, that's excessive. I mean, if anything, normally they would just say, hey, well, delete this section of the audio or delete this video.
Yep. Or do it automatically, even. And just send you a notice. We deleted 3 minutes of your video.
Mm-hmm.
Nice move down.
But the thing that gets me, like, you know, in the live streams, when you get flagged for the music, they're like, what do you want to do? Do you want to cut this section or mute the audio? What do you want to do?
Be kidding me.
But in the shorts, they tell you in the short policy that if the short's under 60 seconds, that it won't get flagged for copyright. So I feel like everything I did followed their policy, exactly what they tell you. But I can't even dispute it.
Mm.
You know, if I could dispute it, I would.
I do not doubt it.
Actually, I could kind of dispute it, but it's a different way of disputing it. I would have to dispute that the copyright holder doesn't have the copyright. And then if I lose in that, my channel could be deleted. So
90 days, that's a long time, though.
yeah. I don't know if I get another one. I don't know what they'll do. They'll put me in
90.
restrictions or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
I guess if I get another one within 90 days, I'll have to shut the channel down.
I'm dealing with my own YouTube demons.
I have to shut it down for the remainder of the 90 days, or the 90 days might start over. I do have another channel under a different email.
Mm,
Remember I told you I made one on accident?
yeah.
I think I've only got like one subscriber.
Hmm.
I have to find out.
Come on, head lower.
Might be a good time to try out a new channel.
Oh, or to think of a little bit of a different strategy for the new channel. If you know what I mean. That's what I'm going to try for the new channel there. The Twisted Trading.
Yeah.
And who knows? Maybe eventually I'll go live. First, let me get the subscriber count up. Let me get the interest in the channel. I'll work it on the side.
So what's the strategy?
I'll show you later. Or actually tomorrow, I think. I might be going for a coffee today. It's my Tuesday coffee. It's the 1 day a week. The 1 hour a week I get to relax and
How do I find my channel? Share, copy link. Okay.
but definitely tomorrow for sure.
Do I have anything on this? I don't have anything on this channel. It's nothing.
Give me a sec.
Play music again. I'm bad at this. Yeah, I'm gonna post a link to my new channel that I may need. They delete this one. Link. Copy link.
Okay, good. Good.
Posted a link to my new channel in case this one gets deleted.
What's it called?
It's called Omnius. I think it's Omnius 2. Can I post it in your chat?
Yes, you can. You can post it twice if it's Omnius 2. I'll bookmark it. You see, that's the thing. If they delete your channel, I have no way of contacting you.
There's still Discord.
You're lost in the ether. Yeah,
No,
of course. Discord, TikTok.
Facebook,
I'm joking. TikTok. Yeah, we chat a lot on TikTok.
You'll find me. I'll be somewhere harassing you. Like, who the fuck is this guy harassing me? It sounds like Omnius.
Okay, chat. I got a poll. I have a poll. I have the poll of all polls. Where is it? How do I set that up? Where the
Don't show your poll. We'll definitely get deleted.
Hold on. View. Docs. Chat. Chat is up. I don't know why it's not showing. Man, I'm missing all my chat. I hope nobody's talking.
You on top chat again?
No, it just disappears. I mean, it disappears. It really, I was on top chat. I forget, but let's get a poll going. Wait, let me just make sure there's no trade coming up. Oh, there could be a short trade. Keep my eye on it. No kidding. So I was completely wrong, eh? I thought we would break above VWAP, expand the initial balance range, and then break above initial balance. I think I'm a permabull. Who knows? I may have that disease.
I don't even know what that is.
A permabull, someone who's always bullish. I always think markets are going to go up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've heard that before.
Pull. Where's the pull? Is this it?
While you play with your poll.
Yeah.
I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick, make me another drink. Be a couple minutes. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, play with your poll.
Play with your poll. Yes. I don't feel like putting it up. Okay, so let's look for a short. Let's see if we can get one. You know what? Let's bookmark his new channel, Omnius 2. Omnius 2, 2 subscribers. Hey, well, let's subscribe. 3 subscribers. Look at that. Subscriber case exploding. He just went from 1 subscriber to 3. That's a 200% increase. 100% increase is 1 to 2. We're going to get a short. Yeah, shit. See, we got a short trade. It's not even up. I don't even have it up. Boom. There we go. And what do I have to do? See, there's 2 things I got. Oh, yeah. 1 step, 2 step. There we go. You see the short trade that I missed? Although there were 2 short trades over here that I missed that lost. So no big deal. No big deal. Close it. Okay, so I'm not in the mood for any micro scalps. I think I should only take the better trades. It's like 11 o'clock already. This is usually the time when I start to get mentally fatigued. That's another issue that you guys should always be aware of when you start to get mentally fatigued, when your trading starts to deteriorate. For me, it's 11 o'clock. We've seen it so often. I think we'll do the chat's choice at 11:15. Whoever wants to, the first one to say short, long, let me know. First one to open his mouth in either stream. That's the direction we'll go in. Don't worry about it. We do trade it on a Bulenox eval, but the Bulenox eval is still doing very well. It's at 53.60. Not doing great, but it's not in the red. As Omnius likes to say, it's doing 80% better than most traders. If no one picks a direction, I think it's my turn to pick the direction. Let me see. Tired? No. Daytraders.com. You guys should really check out daytraders.com. They're having 90% off sale. Really? I'm not posting the results. I should. Let me open up boom Nightbot. Give me a second here. Let me just move this over to the side. Timers. There we go. Chat's choice. Next is Mike. That means I'm the next one to pick. So if nobody picks, I pick. We don't hold it against you if it wins or loses. Missed a decent short trade. It's too bad. Went for 21 points. I have the momentum indicator here on the bottom. We actually turned bearish. At 10:20, we got bearish momentum crossing over bullish momentum. What that does is to bar count how many bars are bearish and how many bars are bullish. Right now, we're 62% bearish, 37%. So that's 37, 47, 57. It's 25% more of the bars are bearish. That's pretty strong. I like to see it. To see that a trend is got some strength behind it, I like to see it in the 60s or higher.
You take that short?
No, I didn't. I was busy playing with something. I was playing. What was I playing with?
You was playing with your pole.
I was playing with my pole. P-O-L-L.
That was a good short right there.
P-O-L-L. Yep.
I freaking walk away and they give a great short, and you didn't even take it.
Yeah, they did not. I missed it. I really did.
Literally even had an inverse hammer on the NQ and ES. That was one of those ones that just scream at you.
Yeah, but it's true. I've been wanting to ask you. You were the 4-hour chart. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. What do you think of that candle, the one before? Look at that. What do you guys call that? Inverted hammer or whatever? That's a pretty impressive candle. Wouldn't that be screaming along? Yet it's failing, but
well,
that's a crazy candle.
Let's try the hourly chart.
Have to get over the high of it for it to be significant? I mean, I don't know. I don't use candlestick patterns too much or candlestick charts, but
9 minute. Well, it never really got above it.
Yeah. I was seeing that candle.
I want to say that mine shows it bullish, but I don't think it's a bullish candle. So my bars are colored by volume. And definitely the bulls took the volume. How do I get it off?
It's so funny to hear your voice like that. So different.
Yeah. Yeah, so there we go. So that was a red candle. I kind of thought it was. Plus, we would need price to be above it. So price, if you go back, not the previous candle, but the one before that, you had a large bearish candle. Then you had this huge drop in the previous candle on the 4-hour. And then it pushed from support, pushed up, but it never got above the open. And then this candle here opened, pushed up a little bit, never could get above the previous candle, and then dropped. So to me, there was a lot of bearishness there. Now, if we back up over here and we see a similar candle where it pushed down to support, pushed back up, that's more of a kind of a hammer. Really, they would call a hammer if it was the body was a little bit smaller.
Get it out.
Oh my goodness!
Get it out.
Told y'all I was
Those
going to be one of
demons
those
out
days.
of you, my man.
So I would look more of something like that. You have a bullish candle, close above the open, then your previous candle is pushing your current candle would be pushing above it. That's what I would look for.
Half an hour, and it's half an hour speaking to me. Half an hour clear rejection off VWAP, trading lower.
At least my nose ain't leaking as bad as it was.
Mm.
The day before yesterday, my nose was just like leaking constantly. Golly.
I don't know what's worse, a cold in Florida when it's hot and humid, or a cold in Canada where it's colder outside. I think to be sick when it's hot and humid is worse. I think that's more uncomfortable.
Well, we have an air conditioner.
You done? I didn't hear what you said. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Sorry, was my mic on when I screamed?
Yeah. I think it was.
Mm.
Still got the headache. So I gotta give Baby Omnis a last name. What should I name him?
What are you talking about?
My other channel.
Ah, well, you got a name already, Omnius too. How long did it take you to think of that one? I have no idea. Names are hard. I went through 4 names already for my new channel that hasn't even started yet.
Maybe I'll go back to the Omnius features. I like that name. There we go. I didn't even capitalize my name.
Can you?
Who set
Yeah,
this
you can.
channel up? Freaking newbies.
How old is it?
I don't know. Remember I told you I set it up on accident. Let's find out.
Yeah.
July 28th.
Oh, so relatively new.
Remember I set the email up for something. So I needed the email for something.
Yeah.
And then apparently when you set up a Gmail, you automatically have a YouTube channel.
Let's see my new one. My new one is aged. It's nice. Oh, no, not that aged. August 26, 2024. Thought it was older than that. My original one, which is on my name, I don't even know how to get into it. That's the problem.
Yeah, I got one of those. And then the email's an old email. Remember how your emails used to be your internet provider?
Yep, that's exactly what it is.
So right, I have an email for an internet provider, and then when you switched internet providers, you lost the email because they only provided it to you as long as you were a subscriber. Yeah. So now my original YouTube goes back before Google. I was on YouTube before Google was. That's crazy. Have to be like early 2000s.
I had a good YouTube name for my boys also. I think it was Twins Trading or something like that. Trading Twins, whatever it was. I really liked it, but I lost that one too. I'm usually quite responsible with keeping track of my emails and the passwords and the recovery emails, but I can't get into these.
Not me. I'm terrible.
You know what? It's because it was when I was trading Forex and I was opening up a lot of them. I had King of the Forex, King of the Castle. I had a lot of them, so I stopped. I stopped keeping track. There's a couple I really would have liked. That Twins one, whatever it was. My boys still see it every now and then, somehow, some way. And I said, shit, yeah, that's me. I can't get into it. I think it's twin trading. I don't know.
Go back, find out you had like a really cool name. You've had it for so long, other people can't get it.
I like twisted trading, though. I like twisted trading. Hey, want to see a couple of the images I'm working on for my first video? You got time, or you're looking at some trades?
Yeah, I got time.
Let's see if I can get them open. What are you guys seeing? You guys are seeing that. Bring that here. Let's see. So the theme is there's going to be a video talking and the twisted traders in the background observing. And, he's always watching over the story. So that's, the story is this. Oops. Coin flip. Did anybody say short or long? Probably not. It's my pick, and I'm picking short. Let me take the trade. Hold on. I forgot about that. Coin flip. Change mouse. Change count. 49. I got to do two things. Coin flip. Come on. CFF 5. Sell. There we go. Coin flip is short at 133. We'll get back to it after the coin flip. Okay, let me make it short. Why not? If I'm going to get there in time. Hey, what's that? Oh. Nope, I missed it. Okay, coin flip strategy. Oh, you didn't get an opportunity to say if you were going on the same direction as me or not. Shit, I forgot to ask you. Do you even know what's happening? Everything happened so fast there.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, coin flip strategy, 11:15, right?
Yeah,
well, it's not
strategy.
Yeah, no, it's chat's choice, but nobody in chat said anything. So I checked the file. It was my turn to pick, but I wanted to know also your opinion, to keep score, but not to keep score in a bad way, not a competition, but just for us to know how well we kind of pick it. So, anyways, doesn't matter. It's done. Okay, so quick. Yeah, that's basically going to be the theme of it over here. Let me see if it shows up. Let me check the stream. So the story is everything that you'll see in the images, the story, except for the guy always overwatching. But I'm going to switch to, I'm switching to, what do you call these guys? Stick figures? So it's going to be a stick figure. So the first one is going to be a video about not letting your losses run. And try to get the videos 5 minutes long or something like that. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'll show you the process tomorrow.
So what are you doing with this channel?
So,
you doing this channel just for the...
No, same thing. No, it's just that's a separate independent project. This channel will still be going, and I'll still be doing... I got to get to it. I haven't had the time. Still producing videos on strategies, still producing videos on the prop firms. Maybe not so much psychology. I don't think people are too interested in the psychology videos. I remember there was a channel I was watching. He was saying that every time he posts a video with charts, it does well. He does a video on psychology, it doesn't do well. So we'll give the people what they want. They want strategies. We'll cover the strategies that I'm trading and the strategies that I'm looking at.
But like every time I post charts, it does nothing. So I quit posting them.
Well.
Everyone's like, post your trade. And I'm like, yeah, I did that. Nobody watched it.
Yeah. Maybe you got to just pay your dues. I don't know what to tell you. Let me look over here. I did a short yesterday, right? I think it was yesterday. I did a quick short with my cell phone. You know, the way Luna does and all that. I think it did not bad compared to how mine do. Remember, I get very few views. I'm on the...
Oh, yeah. I've seen the one you did of you talking.
Yeah, I'm on the blacklist. They really don't promote me at all.
I'm on the blacklist also.
So, 11 views. That's about right for me. I mean, not bad. You know, hopefully eventually they'll... But the thing is, there's no time commitment for that at all, eh? That's like zero. I wanted to just get now the...
Are you going to do the 100-day challenge?
Oh, my God. No, I can't do that. Yeah.
Why? You know the challenge?
I'm assuming one video a day for 100 days.
Yeah, one video, 1 60-second video of you talking.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Just you pull out your phone, you take a video of you talking 60 seconds for one a day for 100 days.
That's doable.
It's supposed to be how to blow your channel up like crazy in 100 days.
Yeah, well, that's doable. And yeah, that is my strategy, to do it every day. Try to get 1 or 2 shorts up like that. Today, Chat's Choice was what I was waiting for. Unfortunately, I didn't think about it, and my setup wasn't on my main screen here. It was on my alternate computer, so I didn't get to it in time, and it took profit. This was my logo. Does it look like anything? Hold on.
I don't see it.
It's on the screen now. First, it started off as an eye, and then it became a galaxy, and then I told...
I'm not seeing it. Where do you see it?
On my stream.
Am I that delayed?
I don't know. Shouldn't be. I have the thing going on. Click the live button.
I think it fell behind.
That's weird. And then I told GPT to turn it into, try to make it look like something, you know, a part of the female anatomy.
I see that.
It wouldn't do it. So I had to give it different instructions, and that's as good as it got.
Just got to put a man in a boat at the top.
See, that's why they don't serve our videos to anybody. We're doing nonsense like that all the time.
I think I'm gonna start me a new channel and just do like naked chicks until I blow up to a couple thousand views or subscribers. I feel like when you try not to get in trouble and then you just like get in trouble for like random stupid stuff. I feel like maybe the better strategy is just go out there and try to get in trouble.
I would like to see that experiment. I remember the first time you told me about it.
Oh, man, I see them all the time.
I wasn't so sure, but yeah, blow up the channel and then change it to a trading channel, then keep it clean and move all your content to unlisted. Your previous content.
And it's funny that those channels, they're not the ones getting the strikes. Or maybe they do. Maybe they just... I think the game is to see how fast you can blow up before you get the strikes.
You know, I see channels. I click on a channel or something. I type in, let's say, Boston. I don't know. You know the group Boston?
Yeah.
Okay, Boston's Greatest Hits. And I get Boston's Greatest Hits. And it's like, oh, no, these random channels. How are you playing Boston's Greatest Hits on this channel? But, you know, if I click on it in 2 months from now, that channel might not even be there anymore. The video might be gone. The channel might be gone. So, you know, we don't know that. We just see what's there at the moment. You know?
Well, what it is Boston have things to do, right? I don't know if they're still playing, but they're probably out there playing gigs or whatever. They have things to do with their life.
No, YouTube flags it right away.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, what happened to me is some random idiot made a song, probably using the same AI I did. And then because the beat that they gave me sounded similar to that beat, it probably showed up on their thing, and they're like, "Oh, I'm going to file a copyright claim."
That's crazy.
No, someone actually filed a claim against me. It was a person.
Yeah, that's crazy. Do you know you can destroy a channel like that? You can just file a fake claim for no reason,
Right?
And take a channel down.
Right. Isn't that crazy?
Well, you know what? I did read about that, and I think they said you can fight it, and if they find that the guy was fraudulently accusing you, I think he gets his channel taken down. So there is a risk to it.
I read all that this morning. Technically, I can fight it, but if I fight it and that person does have a song that has a similar beat or similar lyrics or whatever, then I could have my channel deleted for trying to fight it.
Oh my God. Come on. Seriously. Similar? You're going to use the word similar? Do you know there's got to be a million songs that are similar to every song out there on the planet.
Isn't that crazy?
Similar. What's the word similar? I mean, who was that group you were, look, there's drums, there's guitars, and there's a bass guitar. That's similar to mine. Mine has drums, guitar, and bass guitar. It's similar. You're using the same instruments, Words. Really? Similar? It better be identical. There's no such thing as similar with words.
I mean, how pathetic is your life that somebody has a song that's similar to yours and you're going to go out of your way to file a copyright claim over 18 seconds?
How does it even find you?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. On YouTube will pick up the song and they'll say, "Oh, well, it kind of seems like this song," and they'll put it into a category with that song. They're all over YouTube, and most of the time, the people will go to those categories and look for those songs. So it'll say, "Well, it's similar to this song. I think this is it," and it'll notify whoever the copyright owner is and say, "Hey, well, this person have songs similar to yours." And then that person can say, "Okay, well, I'm gonna file a copyright claim." It's like, really? That's some people's lives are that pathetic. Yeah, it wasn't that I got flagged by YouTube. I don't even think YouTube flagged it. It was a actual person.
Yeah.
That's why it's a full-blown copyright strike.
Well, I don't know. I could have done that. I created some songs from my lo-fi stuff. And then I went on, I don't know, someone else's stream or something, and they were playing it. It was my identical. It wasn't even similar. It was my stuff.
So you could have filed a copyright claim against that person.
I didn't care.
Because you got a life. You're not a fucking idiot.
Here's the thing, though. Is Suno creating the same songs? If some guy goes in and enters in the same prompt, does he kind of get the same song? 90% similar. You know what I mean? That's what I'm wondering.
A lot of songs have remix features, have all kinds of stuff. But if you don't want somebody remixing your song, then you tell it no, right? You have the option. Okay. Just like on YouTube, you have the option to let people remix your videos or not. Just click no.
Just say no. Just say no to remix.
I don't know. It's a crazy world where somebody can go on an AI site, create a song, and then claim that they have the copyright to it. And then if the AI creates a similar song, you file a copyright claim against them?
Yeah. Especially with AI, there's going to be a bajillion similar songs.
And to be fair, anytime you download something from Suno, they say, "Do you wanna file for a copyright for it?" And you're like, "No, not paying for a copyright. I just want a song." And they tell you that you could, if you don't file for a copyright, then somebody else might have it or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop playing around with music. Doesn't bring enough joy to me anyways, to be honest with you. So what would be the motivation?
Yeah, I like the music.
I do too, but like I said, it doesn't bring enough to my life. Okay, apparently a big move is coming, but I'm calling it quits here, guys. Thanks for showing up. 10:30. I'm going for a coffee.
10:30.
10:30. 11:30. Sorry, you're right. I'm on Pacific time, maybe Central time. Who knows? I moved. No. I'm not streaming tonight. I got things I got to take care of, unfortunately. I was hoping this week I would go back to a regular schedule of streaming in the evening, producing videos. Apparently not. My wife's still filling up my dance card. So tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. Yep. Thanks, Ruan. Thanks for showing up. Really appreciate it. Appreciate your support. And that's about it for me. I'll see you tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. Obvious.
Yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna go take a nap. Appreciate everybody hanging out. See everybody tomorrow morning.
That sounds delicious. Everyone go take a nap. Everyone sleep till tomorrow morning. We'll see you tomorrow morning. I just got in a trade. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Can you see it on the Renko charts there? Yeah. I just got in a trade. Oh, come on, push. I got out a piece.
You know, short.
There we go. Short. Come on. We're below the bands. Red. We turned red. $136. There we go. Perfect. A nice little bonus.
Bro, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you, buddy.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's it for me. Closing up. Oh, shit. I don't want to play my song anymore. You put the fear of God into me now. I got to go end my song. That's okay. I'll remove it. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Where is it?
Not this again.